Hello, welcome to my channel, Veda Tech Tutorials. We will see in this video how to sign up for the Microsoft Azure portal. Go to Google and search for the Azure portal, or go to the Microsoft Azure website, azure.microsoft.com. Before signing up, you need to have a valid email address, credit card, and mobile number. Once you have these, we can go ahead and sign up. To sign up, click on New to Azure. Start Free. After clicking on Start Free, it shows two options. One is Start Free, and the other is Pay As You Go. If you want to sign up for Pay As You Go, click on Pay As You Go. In this video, I'm selecting Start Free. By the way, the sign-up process is the same for both free and Pay As You Go accounts. You will need a Microsoft account to sign up. If you don't have one, you can create one. I'm using my Gmail account for this sign-up. If you have a Microsoft account, you can sign up with that. During the creation, it asks for verification of the email, and it asks for a CAPTCHA. After you do this, it will verify your account. After verification, it will be prompted to enter some basic information, such as first name, middle name, last name, email, phone number, organization, and address. After providing the required information, you might need to verify your identity through a verification code sent to your email or phone. After giving all the details, read and select the Microsoft agreement, then click on Next. Azure typically offers a free tier with limited resources and trial credit to explore the platform. And enter your billing information. A credit card might be needed for verification. We need to verify our credit card. If the free trial is completed, a credit card is required to convert the account to Pay As You Go. And review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free button to complete the process. And give feedback on the sign-up process. After that, click Sign Up. After you gave us all the information, we should now have access to your Azure account. Now it redirects to the Azure portal homepage. From the home page, we can learn about Azure by clicking on Get Started. And if we need to check our account, click on right side top corner on your email address in the Azure portal. If you wish to start your project, start by clicking on Architect your Azure solutions and more. Thank you for watching this video.